So it looks like we need to add a new image style. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to image styles by clicking it in the breadcrumbs. And I'm going to click add style at the top of the page. Now let's go ahead and add a name for it. Notice in the description that it says that this name is used in URLs for generating images. Use only lowercase alphanumeric characters, underscores, and hyphens. So it's pretty much like a machine name, except we can use hyphens as well. Okay, I'm going to click Create New Style. So right now we don't have any resizing or anything going on, so our original picture here is identical to our guide image here. Let's begin by adding a new effect. We can do so by going to the effect box down here and clicking this Select New Effect box. And let's go ahead and look at our options here. We can crop, which means that we can set both the width and height dimensions, and the image will get cropped in order to fit that. So for example, we could use this to create a square image from a rectangular image. We can use desaturate in order to make a color image black and white. So this is one that we'll need to add to our effects list. Resize and scale are rather similar, except resize allows you to resize the image to particular dimensions while you actually stretch the image or shrink the image. Rotate allows us to turn the image according to a particular degree. Scale allows us to fit the image within a certain box but maintain the dimensions. Now, all of the previous image styles that we looked at used this type of effect. And then we have scale and crop, which will allow us to scale to a particular size and then crop off the excess. Okay, what we want to do is use scale. So I'm going to click scale and I'm going to click add. Now you can find out how wide the image is by using some type of ruler application on the mockup, but I'll give you a hint. It's 250 pixels wide. So I'm going to go ahead and put 250 pixels for the width. We'll leave the height blank because as long as the width is the correct dimension, we don't care how high it is. Let's not allow upscaling. If somebody uploads something smaller, we'd like it to maintain the same quality rather than getting expanded and losing quality and looking a bit blurry. And let's finish up by clicking Add Effect. Okay, now we can preview this item by clicking the View Actual Size link here. And if you look at the image in the mockup, I'm going to pull up the mockup. It looks about the same size. Okay, I'm just switching back and forth. All right, I'm going to click back in the browser bar. And let's go ahead and add our desaturation, or converting it to black and white, at the same time. So I'm going to click Select New Effect here under the effects list. I'm going to select Desaturate, and then I'm going to click Add. There's no options for this because it's pretty straightforward, and you see that we now have a black and white image. Okay, so this looks pretty good.